Khloe manages a high-performing 5-person commercial roofing team. Her crew is in constant motion, handling 180 large-scale inspections a year, which averages out to a massive commercial roof survey nearly every other day. To stay ahead of that schedule, the sales team started using standard and thermal drones for their site visits. Thermal drones use infrared sensors to detect temperature differences, allowing the team to find moisture trapped under a roof membrane that the naked eye can't see. These drones successfully eliminated the physical speed barrier of data capture. Instead of climbing ladders and walking every square foot of a massive warehouse, they could scan the entire envelope from the air in minutes. But while the physical problem was solved, the team unknowingly created a new one. Upgrading the hardware in the field without upgrading the workflow in the office creates a trap that most businesses don't see until they're already caught in it. This is the productivity paradox. The drones captured data so quickly that the humans were now drowning in it. The team traded time on a roof for time at a desk, watching hours of raw footage. The highly paid sales team was stuck in a loop of manual review, painstakingly pausing videos to identify defects and then manually rewriting every detail into a formal report. This diagram shows the scale of the problem. Despite the speed of the drones, the manual review process acted as a strict bottleneck. As a result, every single inspection still required 6 hours of human labor to complete. The team was capped by the clock. No matter how many drones they bought, their ability to take on new clients was physically limited by the number of hours they could spend at a desk. To break that limit, Khloe pivoted her strategy and invested in the Aidra Inspect Plus thermal software plan. The total cost for the software platform was set at $11,988 per year. This software shifted the heavy lifting from humans to AI. Rather than a salesperson watching every minute of video, the platform's algorithms analyzed the thermal and standard imagery to identify damage and generate the final inspection reports automatically. The shift in efficiency was immediate. By automating the analysis, the team realized a 70% average time savings on every inspection they performed. Recovering 4.2 hours on every inspection changed the math of the entire operation. It cleared the backlog and allowed the company to move as fast as their drones, finally making it possible to scale. When we translate those recovered hours into capital, the financial impact is clear. By removing the need for manual video review, the team eliminated a massive amount of wasted labor cost. This chart shows the gross annual labor savings, $226,800. Subtracting the software cost, the business walked away with net annual savings of $214,812, achieving a staggering 1,791.89% return on investment. This specific investment was so efficient that it completely paid for itself in just 1 month. It demonstrates that removing a digital bottleneck can be the single most profitable move a service company makes. Beyond the financial gains, the real victory was the shift in how the team actually functioned day to day. With the sales team no longer tied to grueling documentation, they redirected their focus to crafting high-value proposals. They spent their time reviewing the reports directly with clients, using the data to highlight critical issues and prove the value of their repairs. This new capacity spread to the rest of the company. The repair technicians began using the tool in the field during their routine monthly inspections. Putting this tool in the hands of the technicians generated new leads and improved client service, turning a standard maintenance visit into an active source of revenue. There is a sharp contrast between paying an expert to manage data and using an expert to build client relationships. One keeps the business running, the other builds the business. Removing that single administrative barrier changed the way this 5-person team utilized their time and expertise. Automation succeeds when it moves beyond simply speeding up old tasks and instead removes the barriers that prevent a team from growing. By letting the software handle the data, this team finally gained the freedom to lead their industry.